I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Update iOS and restart the phone now so you eliminate transient glitches. Once done, go to Settings and verify standby-related options and any screen scheduling features like Do Not Disturb or Night Shift that could override display behavior. Make sure brightness and auto lock aren't forcing the screen off prematurely. If auto lock is low, set it higher for testing. These quick checks remove common causes and prepare you for deeper troubleshooting. Next, perform controlled resets. Toggle standby off and back on to refresh its service. If problems persist, reset all settings. This keeps data but clears configuration errors that often break standby. While you're testing, remove accessories and disable widgets or wallpaper animations that can conflict with the standby display. These external loads sometimes block proper standby activation. Make sure to test with a clean state so you know whether software settings or an app is the culprit. To finish, try a restore from a recent backup or reinstall iOS via Finder or Recovery mode if the problem won't go away. That often clears deeper software corruption. If the standby still fails, run Apple Diagnostics or schedule a Genius Bar visit because hardware faults, faulty sensors, or display controllers can prevent standby. Make sure you back up before any restore or factory reset. Losing your data complicates recovery and delays fixing the actual issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.